Hello and welcome to Puzzle Master. This is the Puzzle Guy, and in this video I will show you how to solve Half Soma puzzle. This puzzle was designed by Dr. Volker Latusek and made by Pelikan in Czech Republic with absolutely fantastic quality. The Half Soma puzzle is made of two different types of wood, pink oak and Zebrano. Difficulty level of this puzzle is 10 out of 10 on a Puzzle Master's difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the object of the puzzle is to fit all parts inside the frame in such a way that the opening will be covered and parts will stay on top, none of them will fall down. You may ask, but what's the trick, since you can just flip it like this and they cover the opening, but when you put everything back, they fall down, and that's not the solution. So what you have to do is remove all the parts. First, what you see that it's not enough parts to fill the entire frame. That's what is the biggest problem here. You have to reorganize parts in such a way that they will cover the bottom layer, and then they will have enough supports so that they hold the shape when they will be inside the frame. So I made some kind of a shape now. When I put it inside, as you can see, some of the parts are just falling down. That is not the solution. So we have to figure out the correct one. The Half Soma puzzle has its name because the pieces are made from Soma pieces. They are just cut in half. If you like the Half Soma puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca. And if you want to see the solution of this puzzle, keep watching the video. And now I will show you how to solve the puzzle. And that's not gonna be easy, since even for me, it's always a trick how to put everything inside. So first of all, take a closer look at the parts, since you have to put them together, and that's not gonna be easy to do. Second, I solved the puzzle outside the frame, since if you start solving it inside the frame, you have to put the first piece on the bottom and then put all the rest parts on top. It's better to assemble everything outside the frame, then put the frame from the top, flip it and see the result. So first, what we have to do is grab these two parts, put them together. Then this piece is gonna be right here, and we have to fit another part in this spot. Let's see which part I can fit here. Probably this one, yeah. This small piece goes with this piece and right in here. So the next one is gonna be this tricky piece. It is quite large, and I will put it right here to cover this corner. We have two more parts left, and they are quite challenging. I think that I have to fit this piece here. It covers the entire side here. And let's see what's next. If I move this piece, it goes up. If I move this piece, it is held by this part. And I have just to find how to secure all these pieces, and I can do it with this part. If I put it right in this spot, it's gonna hold the entire shape. So if I hold it, try to move this piece, it won't go up. This piece as well, and all the parts will be secured. So now, put the frame on top, flip it, and as you can see, none of the parts fall down. Even if I move it, they still hold the shape and the frame is covered. So that is quite a tricky puzzle, and it is quite difficult to find the correct solution. If you like the Half Soma puzzle and you want to buy it, or you want to try some other amazing puzzles designed by Dr. Volker Latusek, go to puzzlemaster.ca. See you next time.